the simple handmade wooden stool holds a quiet yet powerful significance for beginner woodworkers who wish to step into the world of craftsmanship with limited space, modest tools, and developing skills, while still aiming to create something meaningful for modern living rooms and even for income generation. At its core, the wooden stool represents the purest form of woodworking, a functional object built from basic principles of measurement, balance, and joinery, yet rich with creative possibility. For a beginner, this simplicity is not a limitation but a doorway. Hello there, dear viewers. Welcome back to another inspiring content of Decor Menu. Get ready for an exciting woodworking and decor project that will transform your space. Today we will show you the collection of simple handmade wooden stool design ideas for beginner woodworking, modern living and income ideas. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. In a small room, a balcony, a corner of a living space, or even a shared workshop, the stool can be designed, cut, assembled, and finished without the need for large machinery or expansive work areas. This accessibility makes it an ideal starting point for those who feel discouraged by the scale and complexity of larger furniture projects. The stool teaches essential skills: accurate measuring, straight cutting, sanding, drilling, and basic joinery, while remaining forgiving enough to allow mistakes to become lessons rather than failures. In modern living rooms, where minimalism and authenticity are increasingly valued, a handmade stool does not appear as a beginner's object, but as a deliberate design choice, reflecting warmth, honesty, and human touch in contrast to mass-produced furniture. As a learning tool, the wooden stool functions like a silent teacher, guiding the beginner through the fundamental relationship between form and function. Every angle of the leg, every joint connecting the seat to its base, and every curve sanded into the surface contributes to stability, comfort, and visual harmony. Through making a stool, a beginner begins to understand wood not as a rigid material, but as a living substance with grain, direction, texture, and character. Working with wood on such an intimate scale allows the craftsperson to develop sensitivity to how different types of wood respond to tools, pressure, and finishing techniques. This awareness becomes the foundation for future, more complex projects. The stool also introduces the maker to problem-solving, as even a simple design requires careful thought to prevent wobbling, cracking, or imbalance. These challenges encourage patience and precision, qualities that define true craftsmanship. In a world where speed often overshadows skill, the act of slowly shaping a stool by hand becomes a quiet rebellion, reaffirming the value of thoughtful creation. In the context of modern living rooms, the handmade wooden stool has evolved beyond its traditional role as a purely utilitarian object. It can serve as extra seating, a side table, a plant stand, or a decorative accent, adapting effortlessly to contemporary lifestyles that favor flexible and multifunctional furniture. Its compact size makes it especially suitable for urban homes and apartments where space is limited, and every piece of furniture must justify its presence. A well-crafted stool, even in its simplicity, can become a focal point, drawing attention through natural wood tones, visible joinery, and subtle design details that reflect the maker's individuality. This emotional connection between object and user is something factory-made furniture rarely achieves. For beginners, seeing their first stool placed proudly in a living room provides a deep sense of accomplishment and confidence, reinforcing the belief that their hands can create objects of real value and beauty. Beyond personal satisfaction, the handmade wooden stool carries strong potential as a starting point for money-making in woodworking. Its relatively low material cost and straightforward construction make it an ideal product for small-scale production, especially for those who cannot afford large investments in tools or workshop space. Beginners can experiment with different designs, finishes, and wood types, gradually developing a unique style that sets their work apart in local markets or online platforms. In today's economy, consumers increasingly seek handmade, sustainable, and locally produced items, valuing the story behind the product as much as the object itself. A simple stool, when presented as a handcrafted piece made with care and intention, can command appreciation and fair pricing. This creates an opportunity for beginners to test the market, receive feedback, and refine their skills while generating income. The stool becomes not just a learning project, but a bridge between hobby and profession. The sustainability aspect of a handmade wooden stool further enhances its significance in modern times. Beginners often work with reclaimed wood, offcuts, or locally sourced materials, transforming what might otherwise be waste into functional art. This practice aligns with global concerns about environmental responsibility and conscious consumption. We'd love to know, are you enjoying today's content? Your support and engagement means so much to us and help shape the creative direction of Decor Menu. Take a moment to share your thoughts in the comments and tell us which country you're watching from so we can feel more connected as a global community of woodworking, crafting, and decor lovers. It's amazing to see our ideas travel across borders, and your comments truly inspire us to create even better content for you. Making a stool from scrap wood teaches beginners to see potential where others see leftovers, fostering creativity and respect for resources. In modern living rooms, such pieces tell a story of sustainability and mindful living, resonating with homeowners who wish to reduce their environmental footprint without sacrificing style. For the maker, this approach reduces costs and opens doors to eco-conscious markets, where authenticity and environmental values are highly regarded. Emotionally and culturally, the act of making a wooden stool connects beginners to a long tradition of craftsmanship that spans generations and cultures. Stools have existed in nearly every society, often crafted by hand using simple tools and local materials. By making a stool, a beginner participates in this shared human heritage, bridging the past and present through a timeless object. This connection can be deeply motivating, especially in a modern world dominated by digital experiences and disposable products. The physicality of woodworking, the sound of tools, the scent of wood, the gradual transformation of raw material into a finished object, provides a grounding experience that many people crave. For beginners, this process can become a form of personal expression and even therapy, offering a sense of purpose and calm that extends beyond the finished product. From a design perspective, the simplicity of a wooden stool encourages experimentation without overwhelming the beginner. Subtle changes in proportions, leg angles, seat thickness, or surface texture can dramatically alter the stool's appearance and character. This makes it an excellent platform for exploring creativity while maintaining functional integrity. In modern living rooms that celebrate individuality and handcrafted details, such variations add charm and uniqueness. For those aiming to sell their work, this flexibility allows them to respond to different tastes and trends, from rustic and raw to sleek and modern. Over time, a beginner can build a small collection of stool designs, each reflecting growth in skill and confidence, gradually expanding their offerings without losing focus on quality. The handmade wooden stool also plays a crucial role in teaching the economics of craftsmanship. Beginners learn to balance material costs, labor time, and pricing, gaining insight into the realities of selling handmade goods. This understanding is essential for anyone considering woodworking as a source of income. The stool's manageable scale allows for experimentation with production efficiency, finishing techniques, and presentation, all within a low-risk framework. Mistakes become affordable lessons, and successes build momentum. In this way, the stool becomes a practical classroom for learning not only woodworking skills, but also entrepreneurial thinking. In the modern living room, where personal stories and meaningful objects are increasingly valued, a handmade wooden stool stands as a symbol of intentional living. It reflects a choice to invest in objects that are made with care, designed to last, and infused with human effort. It teaches patience, precision, and respect for materials while offering tangible rewards in the form of functional beauty and personal growth. In a modern living room, it finds its place not as an afterthought, but as a purposeful element that carries the maker's journey within its grain. For those at the beginning of their woodworking path, the wooden stool is more than a starting project. It is a foundation upon which craftsmanship, confidence, and sustainable livelihood can be built. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked simple handmade wooden stool design ideas for beginner woodworking, modern living, and income ideas. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes, and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video, Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.